Hello, my name is Kim Clarkson-Elliott. I teach 8th grade advanced, 8th grade intermediate, 7th grade intermediate, and 6th grade beginning art. All course requirements are located in the FAQ in teams that we reviewed with the students at the beginning of the school year. Attendance is taken at the beginning of each class verbally. If a student does not respond, they are marked absent. If a student misses three days, then a parent email is sent out. Weekly, there will be a summative and a formative assignment that consists of unit by unit resource assignment and textbook sketches and projects, okay? Extra help is offered on Fridays at 2 o'clock. And students can contact me in chat or through email if they would like to have a RTI meeting. All assignments are posted by unit, by units and teams, and due dates are posted for each assignment. Students' grades are posted in teams and also in PowerSchool. Any questions, please email me. Any problems with your computers or students having issues with reconnecting, they can always contact IT or Miss Mazer in library. And I just want to say that we're off to a good start. Thank you for allowing me to teach your child this year. And we're just grateful to be here at Creighton Middle School. That was not good.
That was good. That was better than mine. Hey, y'all, come on, we gotta go.
Nancy?
That was good.